Today we are going to make tandoori fish. So let us start the recipe. So the ingredients are 1 kg of halwa or pomfret fish, 2 teaspoon of vinegar, 2 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 lemon juice, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red food color, 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of maida, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, and 1 teaspoon of jeera powder or cumin powder. These are the ingredients required for our tandoori fish. So let us start the recipe. So proceeding with the recipe, for that take a bowl and add salt according to your taste. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Then add 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then add half teaspoon or a pinch of red food color, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of green chili paste, 1 lemon juice, 2 teaspoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoon of vinegar, and then add 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, and then mix all the ingredients well together, and then add 2 teaspoon of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. Then add 2 teaspoon of maida and 2 teaspoon of corn flour. Then mix all the ingredients well together, and then add little bit of water. And then we are going to apply this masala onto the fish. Apply the masala as shown in the video. Gently massage this nicely. And then nicely massage it from both sides. Apply the masala into all the cuts and marinate it nicely as shown in the video. Once you have finished applying the masala from the both sides nicely, keep it at rest for at least 1 hour, minimum 1 hour, maximum 2 hours. After 2 hours of marination, we are going to barbecue it. You can also grill it in the oven. Now as I am going to barbecue it, I am keeping the fish into the grill basket. I have brought this grill basket from Amazon. I will provide you the link for this grill basket into the description. So grease the grill basket with little bit of oil or butter, and then keep the fish, and then lock the grill basket, and then barbecue it. It will take at least about 10 to 15 minutes to cook properly. So let us see after 10 to 15 minutes. So you can see after 10 to 15 minutes my fish is nicely cooked and it's nicely grilled. So our grilled fish is ready. Fish is nicely cooked from both sides. Carefully remove it from the grill basket. And then it is ready to serve. A tasty, healthy and delicious tandoori fish is ready to serve. Hope you would like the recipe. If you have any doubt about the recipe, you can ask into the comment section. Please tell us how the recipe was into the comment section.